5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60 into 8 left, straight 80 to caution 5 left, 40 into 2 right, and 8 left mid opens, 40, becomes 6 left, 50, then 7 left entry to 3 right mid, that's 7 left entry to 3 right mid, 6 left, 4 right mid, on camber, 70, 5 left half long, opens, 40, becomes 8 left, 70, 7 right mid, opens to 8 right, that's 7 right to 8 right, and 8 left, 80, brow 9 right short, 120 over a brow, into 6 left clip, and 7 right hug, that's 6 left clip, 7 right hug, 3 left on camber, 3 right, becomes 6 right, brow into 5 right, on, 100, 7 left, 40, into 5 right, what's this? 7 left, 40, 5 right, 7 left late, long, straight 50, into 5 right, 9 left long, 40, becomes 3 left, that's 9 left long, becomes 3 left, opens, 120, 2 right, mid, slippy and opens, that's 2 right, slippy, mid, opens, and 7 left, 50, 9 right, 40, becomes 9 right short, hug for 7 left, 70 into 7 left entry, hug for 4 right, on camber, 100, 6 left into 8 right, 40, 7 left opens and tightens onto 8 left, slippy on the 8 in patches, 60, into 8 left, 8 right, narrows over bridge, 5 left late, uphill clip, 10 right long, short 10 left, 80, 8 right short, 60, 9 right left, and 8 right short, 10 left, fast right, keep 8 70 for warning, 9 right becomes 5 right short, kinks 50, 9 left twice, 70, 9 right hug for 6 left, and 7 right mid, tightens to 5 right mid, opens, so 7 to 5, opens, 6 left, on camber, over the brow, into 7 right, 5 left late, 50, 7 left short, keep in, straight 50, into another 7 left, 5 right, 4 left mid opens, 6 right mid, at 6 right mid, straight 150, 8 right short, that's 8 right short, keep 850 for an 8 right hug and 6 left, 8 right short again, 70, then 6 right, caution 7 left long and tightens with slippy, into 4 right and 4 left, straight 250 after the 4 left, at the end 6 right late mid, 60, 7 left, 8 right hug, into 6 left mid, 60, 8 left entry to 3 right late, That's 8 left entry, 3 right late. 8 left mid, hug. For 3 right, mid, slippy. 8 left opens over the brow into 7 left, very long. 50. 7 right, half long, opens. 100. Caution, 8 left, mid, 100. 10 right, long, hug, 50. For 7 left. At 7 left. 9 right, mid, opens. 50. Braking early for caution, 4 left, late, opens. 150. Then 6 left. That's 6 left. Into 10 right. Into fast left on the brow. 50. And 8 right. 9 left. 70. Caution, 4 right, slippy. Becomes 3 right. I think there's water here. 9 left. That's 4 to 3 and then 9 left. 120. Caution, 8 left becomes 5 left late. Into 8 right mid opens. 70 and 7 left mid opens, hug. 6 right mid. 7 left, 70. 10 left long, opens, 80. Then warning, right entry to 3 left mid. 70. 9 right. Keep out, 9 right, 40. For 2 right, opens. 50. Brow into 6 left mid, 50, becomes another 6 left, opens, hug, and 4 right on camber, 6 left late, straight 250. At the end, 2 right, and 8 left, the 8 left tightens into 5 left, 150. 3 left mid, that's 3 left mid, 50. Into caution, 2 right late. 4 left short, opens. 5 right. 8 left, tightens. Early, 4 right, mid, opens. 3 left, very long, opens. 50. Caution, right entry, keep out for 3 right with water. 4 left. 4 right on. 5 left narrows into 3 right, mid. 7 left. 8 right. Into short, 7 left, 120. 5 left, opens and can be wet. Keep out 70 for 8 left. Keep out 40 for 5 left mid, opens. Becomes 7 left. And left entry on the brow for 2 right late. 60 into 8 left. That's 8 left, becomes 6 left late. Then 5 right on. Into 5 left short. Straight 50 for 3 right. Repeat 3 right. Brow into 3 left. 70, 4 left late opens. That's 4 left late opens, 70. Warning, 7 right narrow. For left entry to 2 right twice. Short 7 left. 80. 6 left entry to 4 right. On camber through a dip. 7 right opens. 4 left late, uphill. 60, into 6 left. 7 right. Caution, 8 left hug for 4 right. That's 8 left hug, 4 right. 7 left opens, into 8 right. That's 8 right to flying finish. 150.
Hey, good one.
The car loves that part of the stage.
Yeah.
I think because it keeps rising and going, but on the bends, you can imagine with other cars, they'd get very unsettled with the power.
Yes.
Now do we queue here? Or go straight to the start?
Straight to the start.